Hello students, we are going to discuss about respect for others, living peacefully and caring. One by one we will discuss. First we are going to discuss about respect for others. Introduction about respect for others. Respect is of great importance in everyday life. As a children, we are taught to respect our parents, teachers, elders, school rules, traffic laws, family, cultural tradition, other people's feelings, rights, our country flag, leaders, truth and people's differing opinions. It is a feeling of admiration towards a person, group, ideal, almost any entity, as well as specific action and conduct representative of that esteem, whether between spouses, friends, co-workers. If there is a history of mutual respect and sincere gratitude, the people involved are generally happier, more successful. We live in a world where there are many differences between people, but with an open mind and an appreciation of each person's contribution to this world. What is the result? We strengthen our relationship and our community. Why should we respect others? When we respect others, we will be making our lives smooth and majestic. Living in isolation is of no avail. Involving too much also is not desirable. One has to live for one person to stand out in the community. This calls for higher values of friendship, sacrifice, forgiveness, integrity, sympathy, empathy, satisfaction, etc. How to show respect? Listening. Listen, it sounds easy, but listening, true listening, can be one of the hardest skills to master. If you want a person to know you, respect him or her, then tune into what that person is saying. Look them in the eye and offer feedback when necessary. Everyone appreciates the person who willing listen to them and shows genuine interest in what they have to say. Second one, encourage. If you have ever had a bad day, then you know the power a little encouragement can have. We have all had moments when we need someone to tell us, don't worry. Okay? Things will work out. It might not seem like much at that time, but that person will remember that you took the time. Third one, congratulate. If someone does a great job, let them know about it. In fact, let everyone know about it. Openly congratulate someone for a job well done. Okay, especially you are a manager, employee will work harder and happier knowing their manager has a mutual respect for them and is willing to express praise and gratitude when it is deserved. Fourth one, be helpful. If you find a friend or co-worker in a jam, be willing to help them if it is possible. Not to say you should take on half their project, but offering some advice or throwing in a bit of your time will mean a lot. Okay? If that friend or co-worker has helped you in the past, then returning the favor will be a nice way to show both your respect and gratitude. Last one, say thank you. I am sure this one seems like common sense, but many people just forget to say thank you, or at least forget how to say it with sincerity. A thank you can be as small as 2 words, or as much as buying someone a gift. It is nevertheless, if the action is not done with 100% sincerity, then it is wasted. Okay? Make sure people know you appreciate them and their actions. Simply say thank you. Okay? Students, what do you understand from the picture? The mirror reflects the same as it appears. Likewise, we will get the respect from the others like how we give respect to others.